Alright, got the FMS F-18. No armament on it today. Field is pretty bad shape. I've been doing a lot of work on it, so proud to have the guys dedicated to it that's out here all the time. It's usually always the same group of guys. This is during the coronavirus lockdown. It's first day of April, and I'm the only one here, so I'm definitely social distancing. Jim may come out a little bit later. You can see right over there is a hog trap. We've had 3 or 4 hogs come out and they just rooted up our field. So again, we've had a half a dozen dedicated members that's taken the time to come out and fix it. Alright, we're going to go with 1 tick of flaps because this thing is definitely hard to get off the ground. And with this wet grass, I'm not even sure she would fly. But we will give it a try. There's full throttle. Maybe we'll catch a bounce. There we go, we got up. Bring it around here and bring the gears up. We'll have to stay down here in the east-west because I left my sunglasses on the bench. And that sun's just coming up to a low angle. Make a slow pass here in front of us. Same way, but this time we'll make a fast pass. Pouring on the coals right now. By the way, this is flying on a Hobby Star 4200 6S battery. Sorry, I know it's getting a little far out. We'll get it in closer. Afterburners now. This is about my first time to fly since February. Actually around the middle of February. I think I was out here around the 15th or 16th. Still got a little time left. But since I haven't flown in a month, I think I want to set up for a landing early. Just in case things don't go well. Drop the gear. Looks like they all deployed fine. Next pass we'll set up for that landing. It is a little heavy, but for the first time in 6 weeks, I will accept it and not go around. FMS F-18. Good flying little plane, but you can see I rocked it over on the narrow gears one morning. Drug the wing tip and cracked the nose off. Been fixed up. But so far I have not tried this with the armament. But maybe one day when the field's mowed and grasses are cut and everything, we'll try that again. Alright, thanks for watching. Alright, just got finished flying the F-18. Wanted to give you a look at where I put the battery at. There's about 1 finger width of space at the front of the battery. Got one little strap there that holds it down, and I'm using an adapter from EC5 to XT60. And again, Hobby Star 4200 milliamp, 40C discharge. And let's see, got 47 seconds left on the timer. And was at 5 minutes to start. And I do have mine that when I give it throttle, it activates the timer, and when I bring it all the way down to 0, it stops it. So it's kind of timing off of the used voltage signal. But on an EDF jet, I don't recall ever coming down to 0 on it. Alright, let's take a look and see where we're at. It shows 34%. Let's look at each cell rating, 22.8 total. Got 3.795, 3.80, 3.80, 3.80, 3.80, 3.80, and 3796. So that's just where a sweet spot is. Actually, if I'm not going to fly anymore for a while, which I probably won't due to this pandemic, I really like bringing them down to about 385. That way they got a little bit of extra time to sit in storage. Alright, just my opinion. Thanks for watching.